Everybody, hello everybody. So today our topic of discussion is a numerical example on DFT. So here this is the question that compute DFT of the sequence. It is a 4 sequence times domain signal, and so we have to compute the DFT. So what we know now, we know what is the formula of DFT. The formula of DFT is the formula of DFT is xk equal to summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x n e to the power minus j 2 pi k capital N into small n. So what 4 numbers are there? So it will be called as 4-point DFT. So how many number of, we know what is the index value of k? K is ranging from n equal to 0 to n minus 1. Here n will be, so the time index will be 0, 1, 2, n minus 1 means 4 minus 1, that is 3. And similarly, we know that the frequency index k will be also 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to get 4 values of x. One is for x0, then for x1, after that x2 and then x3. So what will be x0? We have to substitute here the value of k equal to 0. So what will be the values? The values will be, the first value is for x0, that is for value of n equal to 0, e to the power minus j 2 pi, k is 0, n is also 0, so it will be e to the power minus 0. Then the next part is summation, so it will be for the n equal to 1. So n equal to 1 means e to the power minus j 2 pi, k is 0 and n is 1. So here also this will be equal to 0. As k is equal to 0, each and every e to the power factor will be equal to 0. So finally we get, it is basically x0, x1, x2 and x3. So what are the values of them? So the first value is 1, the next two values are 0, the last value is also 1. So what will be the value of capital X0, that is the frequency content? It will be equal to 2. Similarly, you can get the value of x1, that is, now we are computing the frequency content for k equal to 1. So here the first value we have to take it for n equal to 0. So it will be n equal to 0, e to the power. Now here value of k is 1 but n is 0. So here also it will be e to the power 0. That means it will be equal to 1. Next, the value of x1 along with, here k is 1 as well as n is also 1. So it will be e to the power minus j 2 pi. What is n? N is nothing but 4. So it will be 2 pi by 4. The next part is x2 e to the power minus j. This will be the value of n will change here. K is 1, it is 0, 1, 2. So 2 into 2, that means it will be 4. 4 pi by 4. And the last component x3 will be similarly e to the power minus e to the power minus j 6 pi by 4. So if you take all the values, you will get the first is 1, then it will be equal to so this will be as x1 and x2, the value of x1 and x2 are 0, so we can take this 2 as 0, and x3 is 1, so it will be 1 into e to the power minus j 3 pi by 2. Okay. So, as per Euler's identity, we can write it as 1 plus e to the power minus j theta. That means cos theta minus j sin theta. So, cos 3 pi by 2 minus j sin 3 pi by 2. So, if you compute, you will find it will be equal to 1 plus j. Okay. Next, in similar fashion, we are going to get x2 as well as x3. So now here I am deleting this part because I need more space. So we have computed x0 and x1, then we are going to compute x2 and x3. So what will be x2? x2 will be summation of xn e to the power minus j 2 pi k n by capital N, means this is 4. We can write it as 4, where n is ranging from 0 to 3. So here you will get, similarly here the value of k will be equal to 2 and n will be, for the first is 0, for the second term it will be 1, then 2 and 3. So we know we will only get first and fourth term. So that is the first term x1, that is 1, it will be e to the power whatever in n and k both are k is 2 but n is 0, so it will be e to the power 0, and the fourth term is 1 e to the power minus, it will be j 2 pi, the value of k is 2, that means it will be 4, and the value of n is equal to 3. So it will be like this. So 4 will cancel and it will be 3j. So 3 pi j. So it becomes 1 plus cos of 3 pi minus j sin 3 pi. If we calculate, we will get it will be equal to 1 minus 1 and it will be equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, if you compute in the same fashion, you are going to get that the value of x3 will be 1 minus j. So, what are the DFT of 4 sequence DFT we get? So, the first value was 2, then value was 1 plus j, then it is 0, and the last is 1 minus j. This is your answer. Thank you.